Hello. Hey, how you doing?
What are you doing?
That's good. What are you two doing here?
I need a place to move.
You need to move somewhere?
The only money I got is that.
15 cents.
Not that I won't take it. I need a place to move.
Okay, I should have a place for you. Let's go. You're lucky, actually. A vacancy just opened up. Joel just moved out.
Oh, let's talk. All right, Molly.
You got access to a newly painted bathroom.
Cool.
My room. Sorry. Wow. Okay, my room's right here. If you ever need a neighbor, this is me. Hey,
Seems like you're quite a loser.
thanks, Brad. No, the monkey, your room is going to be right in here.
Ta-da!
How am I supposed to fit in here?
Not you, Joel, monkey.
Yeah, small room.
It's like a midget's palace.
Yeah, I know. Look at that. Slanted ceilings. Amazing.
Is this the place where you slept there in the summertime?
Yeah, Joel used to live in here.
That's why it's a mess.
Yep.